The Lord, whose very name is jealous,
Uh-huh.
is a God who is jealous about his relationship with you.
Repeat. Now, this relationship
Lo budlelwane
is already moving.
vele sebeya phambili.
It's not just a relation.
Akusu
It's a
ukwazana,
relationship.
ubudlelwane.
It means it's already working.
Kusho ukuthi
It's already
kuyasebenza.
moving.
Kusho ukuthi
God
kuyaphambili.
is already with you.
uNkulunkulu vele seke
God is
ndawo.
already in love with you.
Sekasemathandweni nawo uNkulunkulu.
Now you will check
Manje uyobheka.
who wants to come
Bani ufuna ukuza
and love you differently.
akuthande ngenye indlela ehlukile.
If it's not at the level of God's jealousy,
Uma kungekho ezingeni lebona kaNkulunkulu,
God rejects it.
uyakulahla uNkulunkulu. Uyakwala.
God rejects it
Uyakwala
because
uNkulunkulu.
it's not going to satisfy God.
Ngoba ngeke kunelise uNkulunkulu.
It will have to satisfy a person's emotions.
Kuzofanele kunelise imizwelelo yomuntu.
Oh, some of you don't understand when these things happen.
Abanye bena ndiqondisisi lezi zinto mazenzeka.
Disowned,
Ulahlwa,
hard-pressed,
indezelwa,
betrayed,
khaphelwa,
denied,
phikwa,
cheated at.
eba
You go, you
phikela.
pray. In the
Hambe
name of
khuleka.
Jesus, jealousy says,
Ngegama likaJesu.
yes, it's
Uthi
supposed to
yebo.
happen.
Fanele kwenzeke.
In the name of jealousy,
Ngegama likaJesu.
yes, because I'm jealous.
Yebo ngoba vele nginomoya.
They had to do this to you.
Bekufanele
They
bakwenze
had to
lokhu.
betray you.
Bekufanele
They had to
bakhaphele.
lie about you.
Bekufanele bakhulumele
Because my
lamanga.
name is
Ngoba
jealous.
igama lami umona.
My name is.
Igama lami ngingumona.
Hey, let's go.
Is a God who is jealous about his relationship.
Look up what he's jealous of about his,
Unomona.
not your, his
Gobu
relationship
ane bakhe
with you.
nawe.
Ngobudlelwane bakhe nawe, hayi bakho naye. Bakhe nawe, he wants to own you.
Ufuna ukuphatha.
He wants to own you.
Ufuna ukuphatha.
uNkulunkulu akazwana nabantu abangaphatheki.
Yeah.
Uziphethe too much. And you think it's a relationship. It's
Cabanga
not a
ukuthi
relationship.
cha, akusibo
Uziphethe. Yes, where there's no submission,
Akungenakho
umuntu
ukuthoba khona.
uziphethe.
Umuntu yazilawula.
They do what they want to do.
Benza lokho
Baya la
ebakufunayo.
bafuna ukuya khona. There's no reward there.
Awukho umvuzo lapho.
There's no reward there.
Hayi umvuzo awukho.
Into ozoyibona ubumnyama bodwa. Uzohamba indlela engamelanga uzihambe because you are controller umuntu. And you can be so sure. I'm a child of God.
Ngumntwana
I'm born again.
kaNkulunkulu.
Yet
Zelwe
God says
kabusha.
there's no relationship here.
Sabukho
You're
ubudlelwane.
satisfying yourself.
Usazinelisa wena.
You don't differ from somebody
Awuhlukanga emntwini.
who takes off their pants and begin to satisfy themselves.
Umula ibhuruku lakhe besazinelise yena.
A relationship with yourself.
Unobudlelwane bakho wedwa.
It's a relationship with yourself.
Unobudlelwane
You
nawe.
satisfy yourself.
Uzinelisa wena.
Is it painful?
Buhlungu.
Ube nemizwa uzube ne relationship to yourself
Yeah.
and satisfy yourself.
Uzinelise wena.
And when you come out, you are looking for a relationship. You already have a relationship
Vele
because you are
sona
satisfying
ubudlelwane.
yourself.
Ngoba uyazinelisa
Where are you
wena.
going?
Uyaphi?
Who are you going to satisfy?
Uyonelisa bani?
Meaning there's already an idol
Kusho ukuthi vele isithixo sikhona
that you are worshiping.
osidumisayo sikhonzayo.
Repeat. That's why you end up, your mind, there's a
Yeah.
The more you satisfy yourself, you are losing your mind.
That time wena uzinelisa wena hayi ingqondo
You
yalahleka.
become more daga inhloko.
Hey.
Thathela kude wes. Ngoba uthi uyiphethe khona kanti uyazilimaza. Wait until that time comes.
Linda kufike
You
leso
will see
sikhathi.
ukuthi uzilimazile. Repeat.
For the Lord, whose very name is jealous,
Uh-huh.
is a God who is jealous about his relationship with
Before
you.
he's jealous about you,
Ngaphambi kokuba abe
he
nombono
values
ngawe,
his relationship.
uthanda ubudlelwane bakhe.
He values his relationship,
ubona ubudlelwane
before
bakhe
he's jealous about you,
ngaphambi kokuba abe nomona
if
ngawe
I value my relationship,
uma ngibona kahle ubudlelwane
it
bami
means I place myself first.
kusho ukuthi ngizibeka mina kuqala
Looking at you, I see myself first
ngizibona mina kuqala
before I see you.
ngaphambi kokuba ngibone
Then
wena
immediately when you receive
mase sowamkela
and you begin to relate with me,
soqala uba nobudlelwane nami
it's no longer two people.
akusasi bantu
It's
ababili
not the relationships. It's a
ubudlelwane obuningi
relationship.
kodwa
One.
ubudlelwane obunye
One. It's not the relationships.
akusubudlelwane
Many
obuningi
are in relationships
abaningi basebudlelwaneni obuningi
busy with idol worshiping.
bakhonzana nezithixo
Sunday, baba ngegama lika Jesu, it's a jealous name. Lehlakaza into zakho ngoba unesinye isichiko. The moment uyathandaza into zakho ziyahlakazeka, unesithiko. What are you worshiping?
ukhonza bani
You are mixing God with your idols.
hlanganisa uNkulunkulu nezithixo zakho
It's not a God who shares his
kusuNkulunkulu
property with other people.
owamkela owabela abanye
He doesn't
indawo
share.
yakhe.
This is a jealousy that does not share.
umona lo ongafuni ukuhlanganyela
God is not in a business of shareholders.
akekho
He's the main shareholder.
uye
He's not
oyedwa.
selling shares.
akathengisi ngesabelo
Repeat.
For the Lord, whose very name is jealous, is a God who is jealous about his relationship with you.
About his relationship with you.
ngobudlelwane bakhe nawe
There's no relationship
akunabudlelwane
without one being found or being
phandle
searched
kokuba
for.
omunye angazange afunwe
A relationship starts because somebody searched for
ubudlelwane
you.
khona omunye okuzamile
Somebody
ukufuna
looked for you.
wakufunisisa
And when they found you,
masiseke kuthola
they want to relate.
bafuna ukuhlobana
They want to
bafuna
relate with the person.
nalowo muntu
If I find you and we don't
Mangithola,
relate, we can't be in a
singahlobani.
relationship
angeke
because we don't
sibe
relate.
nobudlelwane ngoba
Meaning
sihlobana
jealousy cannot
kusho
be
ukuthi
at
umuntu
work.
angeke uzobe sibe
There
semsebenzini
will be envy.
kuzoba nokuhalela
There will be.
kuba nokuhalela
Bakubhoxa kangaka kusiyimona kaNkulunkulu. Ufuna ukumosha lobuso ukuthi bangasakuboni. So uNkulunkulu akafuni ukukumosha ukuthi ungasaboni. Uyakwasha ukuthi ubonwe. He dresses you with his jealousy bese
Ngoba
uyakadvertise.
akukhangisi
Boom. Hamba simomonde yami. Go show yourself.
Hamba
Walk, go show
uzibonakalisa.
yourself. No one will
Hamba
take you.
uzobona-
No one will
akekho
touch you.
akekho
You will
ozokuthinta.
remain pure
Uyohlezi
because my jealousy will
umona
protect
wami
you.
uzokuvikela
So Apostle Paul comes,
Apostle Paul
even
uyazi.
when I'm not there
uthi noma
with you
ngingekho
physically,
nani
I'm with you in the
ngokwenyama
spirit.
kodwa nginani ngomoya
The spirit will protect you.
lo moya
Even though I'm
uzondivikela
not there to rebuke you,
noma
the
ngingekho
spirit,
ngizondibuza kodwa umoya
you'll be sitting, you'll hear my voice inside
uzothi
you.
uhleli uve iphimbo lami
You'll hear my voice speaking within you.
lukhuluma nawe
Kube ngathi siyaxoxisana. But when you look, I'm not there.
angikho
I'm not there.
angikho
But I'm speaking to you, but I'm
kodwa
not there.
ngikhuluma nawe kodwa angikho mina
Abangazi bazothi uyahlaya, bazokuza uphenduka. Eish. Awuthini hayi? Uthi yes my father kubani? No, it's a mistake. Even though I'm not there physically,
noma ngingekho
but he says
ngokwenyama
I'm with you in the spirit.
kodwa nginani ngomoya
That's how the jealousy of God protects people.
ingendlela kumona kaNkulunkulu uvikela abantu ngayo.
Sickness coming,
kuze ukugula
finding jealousy.
thola umona
People plotting against you.
abantu bakuhlelela okubi
God's jealousy burning against them.
umona kaNkulunkulu
Saying he
bavuthe
is mine.
kathi lona
He is
ungowami
mine. Be
ungowami
careful what you do to him.
qaphela ukuthi
For I
wenzani
now have the marks of Christ on my body.
nemivimbi kaKristu
Ngimuhle
emzimbeni
ngemivimbo, but it's jealousy.
athi umona
Ngemivimbo, but it's jealousy.
umona
Angishaywa nge-abusive angishaywa nge-abusive boyfriend. Ngishaywa it's a loving boyfriend. These stripes are for love. These marks are for love. So I'm not beaten for shame. I'm not beaten. I'm beaten because of holy jealousy.
ngenxa yalo mona ongcwele
Woo! Holy jealousy.
umona ongcwele
So be careful when you come close.
qaphela mawuseduzane
know how to interpret those
Yazi
holy marks.
chaza le
That
mivimbo engcwele.
holy jealousy on my body.
Lobona ongcwele la emzimbeni wami.
If you are not in the spirit,
Awungekho kumoya.
uNkulunkulu uyam-abuse. Why lo msalane edlule into enesoka and you are receiving the
Ndiyamkela.
marks of jealousy?
Imivimbo
The moment you
yomoya.
go out,
Awuphuma.
God says, show myself. Kombe makoti.
Siveze.
Babonisa ubuhle bami. Show yourself makoti.
Ayiziveze.
Hayi mara ngishayiwe athi bakhombe. Show them. Show them
bakhombe.
your wounds. Show them your pain.
Bakhombe
Because I'm the God who sees.
uNkulunkulu obonayo.
I'm the God who sees.
uNkulunkulu obonayo.
I saw you in the wilderness.
Ngibonile
I saw
hlale.
you when you were crying.
Ngibonile usakhala.
My jealousy was
Umona
looking
wami
at you.
obhekile.
My jealousy was looking at you.
Umona wami ubhekile.
When no one else was seeing your tears.
Lapho
I was
kungekho umuntu
looking
obona
at you,
izinyebezi
Hagar.
zami. Ngikubhekile
Preparing
Hagai.
you, Hagar.
Ngikulingiselela
With the holy
Hagai.
jealousy.
Ngomono ongcwele.
Uqoshwe ijealousy kaSarah, but I'm taking you back with holy jealousy.
Kodwa ngikubuyisele emuva ngomono ongcwele.
He says, be careful
Uthi qaphela
what you do to me,
uthi wenzani kimi.
for I now bear the marks
Ngoba ngiphethe imivimbo
on my body
emzimbeni wami.
of our Lord Jesus Christ.
Wenkosi yethu Jesu
I'm not
Kristu.
abused. I'm
Angihlukunyezwanga.
marked by jealousy.
Kodwa ngibeka uphawu.
These are
ngomona.
marks to say jealousy
Lena yimivimbo
has
esesimona.
taken me through. Jealousy has
Ubona.
made me to pass through.
Ungenze ukuthi
Jealousy
ngidlule.
has made me
Ubona.
to survive
Ungenze ukuthi
relationships.
ngidlule
To keep a
ebudlelwaneni.
to keep
Ukuthi ngigcine ubudlelwane.
a relationship.
Ukuthi ngigcine lo budlelwane.
Now it says, be careful
Manje ukuthi qaphela.
what you do.
Kuthi wenzani? Kimi.